Welcome! Today, we'll simplify the process of submitting your Amazon affiliate tax information. As an Amazon associate, you must provide accurate tax information to comply with IRS regulations. Let's dive into the details of the necessary tax forms you'll need to fill out. The primary form is the W-9 for U.S. residents, capturing your tax identification details. For non-U.S. affiliates, the W-8 BIN form is essential to avoid double taxation. Now, let's ensure you understand how to submit these forms correctly through your Amazon account. After filling out the form, log into your Amazon Associates account. Navigate to the account settings and find the tax information section. Upload your completed W-9 or W-8 BIN form here. Once submitted, you'll receive a confirmation email for your records. Congratulations! You successfully submitted your Amazon affiliate tax information. If you have any questions, refer to Amazon's help resources for assistance.